Okay, so let's look at this one here first in the back. Some of these you'll have to factor, some of these you'll have to use the quadratic formula. So it just depends on how the numbers line up. So are the numbers that multiply to 7 and add to 6? Well, the only numbers that multiply to 7, positive 7, are 1 and 7, and they add to 8. Okay? And if you look at the 6 on your chart and you look down the diagonal line, you don't see a 7. So if you don't see that match up, you have to use the quadratic formula. So let me write that out. Okay, so I wrote it out there, follow along with it. So B is 6, A is 1, C is 7, and 2 times 1. All right, so this will be negative 6. That's 36 minus 28 over 2. And 36 minus 28 is 8. So negative 6 plus or minus 8 square root over 2. Okay? And that's good. That's my final answer there. 8 isn't a square root. Because it wouldn't factor, I can tell you right now that square root's not going to come out evenly. So don't worry about that. Just leave it like that. Okay, I'm going to go down to the next one there. Kind of try to leave that up for a little bit here. This next one here are the numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. If you look on the 5 in your chart, follow the diagonal line, do you see a 6? And yeah, you see one. It's 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So that's cool.
Interruption with Melissa McAllister. Please report to the auditorium.
So those are going to be your two answers. Looks good. So if you can factor it, you can do it pretty fast once you see that you can factor it. If not, use the quadratic formula. Let me scooch this down here so you can see them both here. If not, use the quadratic formula. Your answer will be kind of messy like that, but hey, it'll be right. Cool. So go ahead and check out the rest of those. I'll tell you that 2 are quadratic formula and 2 are factoring. You're going to have 2 of each, 3 of each total for the back. Go ahead and try them out.